YouTube. Today we're going to do a clutch lever on the CBR500. I had an embarrassing off the side stand fall and it didn't break the tip off, but it bent it out. Got the mirror and bent the gear shift. I've already bent the gear shift back, but this one I never bend these back, they usually break. So I bought a new lever and I'm going to put it on. So to take the old lever off, you're going to take a 10 millimeter, and then underneath the bottom of the lever there's a nut. You're going to take that nut off first. And while you're taking the nut off, you're probably going to have a screwdriver in the top side of it just so it doesn't spin. Take that nut right there. And then you're going to take the screwdriver and just start loosening up that screw that goes all the way through the lever. And then when it's loose, you can pull it all the way out. That's the screw. I'll put it back here for later. And then now I'm going to move this lever out like this. And then pull it out. So that right there, the end of the clutch cable, that is going to go in there. So now I'll get the new lever. And I'm going to take just some white lithium grease. You can use any type of grease, and spray the area where the cable is going to go in, and also the center area where it's going to be pivoting on the clutch perch. Now this one you might have to loosen up your clutch cable. So you're just going to back this off, and if you really have to do it, if you have to loosen it more than this, you're going to have to go on the other side and loosen it up down there too. But I think this is going to be enough to get it on. Alright, so I've got the clutch cable out. I'm going to stick that in there like that. Then I'm going to put this back in here. Make sure that your clutch lockout for your safety switch is lined up as well. And I'm going to take this pivot bolt. I'm also going to put some grease on that, just like that. I'm going to put that in there like this. I'm going to get my screwdriver again, and I'm going to tighten this down. This one doesn't have to be too tight, just snug. So that's good. You can try and pull your clutch lever in if it's working good. That's good. All right, and then once you've got that bolt in and you're happy with the tension on your lever, you're going to take the nut, put it on the bottom, start it, and just start tightening that nut up. Again, this nut doesn't have to be very tight either. It is a self-locking. If you make the nut too tight, your clutch lever will stick. And if your clutch lever sticks, you're going to have clutch drag as well. So, all right, once that's tightened up to your likings, you're going to readjust. So I always pull the cable out here and just do this by hand. You should have anywhere between 2 and 3 millimeter of play. Then tighten that lock up with your pliers. And then you're done. And then the next bit would be go and test drive. I'm also going to wipe down the lever really well so there's no leftover grease on it. And that's how you do it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And ring that bell.